welcome back to my channel. So this is my next week in the life of me vlog. It's kind of a good week to be doing it because we are moving to Amsterdam for quite a while. So you'll actually see where we'll be living. So over the next few days it's like pretty hectic, got a lot to do, got a lot to fit in, got a lot to pack. Today I've just got up, well I got up an hour ago, had breakfast, and I'm going to do a class at the gym. What are you doing?
Just wants to go inside lights everyone.
Not with hair like that, you don't.
Oh my god.
And then this afternoon we are, well not this afternoon, tonight actually, we are going to...
See you.
Bye. We're going to teach a workshop. Anyway. Teddy, want to say hello? Just back from the gym. I don't know why that line is closed. Yeah, just back from the gym. The class was so good. I find it so... Oh my god. These lines. I find it so much easier doing a class rather than going in the gym and doing my own thing. I feel like I need structure, if you know what I mean. These trainers. Hello, Ted. I just ordered them online and I love them. You want to go for walkies? Yeah. We just came across our dream home. This time in, how long should we give ourselves?
10 years.
I was going to say 5.
Alright, 5 years.
10 years? God, we'll be old then. We'll be late 30s getting on to 40.
Yeah.
Wow, that's depressing. No, I give us 5 years to be in our dream home. Or to be like in the process of moving into it. Josh got this new thing of listening to podcasts.
In my car because I drive everywhere.
I think that was my idea.
I don't think it was.
I think it was because we did it that time. Do you remember? We listened to an ebook.
Yeah, that's a book.
Yeah, so you got that idea from that. I'm literally still in my gym stuff. I'm gonna get changed soon, just so you don't all think that I'm a minger. And this, my friends, oh my god, it's not even that good. This is how you make the perfect egg. I say how you make the perfect egg, I didn't even show you, but put it in that whilst it's just started boiling. 3 minutes, perfect egg. Josh just had a shave and got this new look. Now, please put in the comments below if you like it. I mean, we love it. No matter where we go, we have to get Starbucks. So that's what we're doing now. Getting a Starbucks.
Drive it there once I sleep on it.
Got a mini mango passion.
Yeah, okay. Are you back from picking up? Ready?
I think it's like the kids size because I can never actually finish. I can never actually finish the bigger size. It's Thursday. Welcome to Thursday. Last night I just went home and went to bed. And then this morning I've been to the gym. Everyone was laughing at my t-shirt. And now I've come to get my nails done with Lauren. Hi. Josh,
What?
Come here. Come here. Just getting my lashes done and I can't see a thing. What am I getting? LVL lashes. So this is before or during, and I'll show you after. Okay. So this is after.
Yeah, oh yeah. That's great then.
It is found. Josh got his brows done. Let's see. Focus.
Oh my
there
God.
we go. Wow, I can see your face again. Come on, Ted. Good boy. Just on another walk again, and my eyebrows look crazy. I've still got. You are a thug. I've still got tint in them. Oh, hello. What are you doing on my field?
Look at the little lamb.
He is not happy.
Look at the little
Hello. Oh. Hello, Lammy.
The man that delivered your thing this morning said, you've been busy with all these deliveries, haven't you? Keeping me in a job.
Why was it the same guy?
Yeah.
Look at this dog out here I'm spying on. Look at it. It has a full-on catsuit on, flared trousers. I've done most of my packing, like here. It's all in this room now, pretty much packed. Gonna get ready now, and then we're going for dinner. Whoop. So we're just at San Marcos.
San Carlos, didn't you?
Yeah, I did, because you just said it. Just an Italian up the road from us. And we're waiting for my mum and dad and Josh's mum and dad, and they're always late. Always. Both of them. I mean, the lot of them, the pair of them.
The four of them?
The four of them, yeah. They're always late, so I am drinking my favourite cocktail at the minute, which is Porn Star. Just got a pint. I don't know why I'm obsessed with Porn Star martinis at the minute, but I feel like it's a phase, and I'll absolutely hate them in like a month.
Alright, suck it in his coat.
What was that?
It's a sucker coat that.
Yeah. Look who's here.
The company. It's lovely company.
Woo. We had such a nice meal out. Come on in. Come on in. Teddy. Look at them paw prints on the bed. Oh my God. Teddy, how can you be mad at that? How hard is it to be mad at that? It's okay then. It's okay, I'll just wash it. What a pushover. I'm gonna take my makeup off and get in bed, and tomorrow is like our last day in the UK. Good morning. Just went to have all my waxing done this morning. So now I've just met the boys for breakfast.
I don't want to get too close.
This is my friend Michael, just met him for breakfast.
Hello.
And I've just ordered a sausage butty. This random cafe we're in.
It's nice.
Never been here before in my life. And it's where I live, where I got brought up.
I didn't even know this was here, did you?
So I got the Range Rover Evoque. Josh bought it me for my birthday. Early birthday present. Do you like it? Do you love it? I mean, I might have just kicked Michael out of his. Just packing, and look what's outside. It's as if like someone just answered my prayers and the ice cream van turned up on the door. Look at Josh. I bet he gets a double. Oh no. There we go. Oh yes.
Which one do you want?
That one. Thank you.
Oh, that's the one I wanted.
Yummy. So we are pretty much all packed. This is Josh's big suitcase, and then tomorrow we are leaving.
We'll be closing in 2 minutes, okay, 32.
So we just checked in, left Teddy at Josh's mum's. It was so sad. I find it so hard. Anyway, I feel a bit sad now. but I won't be able to find when I'm there. Just bought this in the duty free. Every time I go anywhere I have to buy mascara, and this is my all-time favourite mascara. Anyway, I look so rushed. It's currently 5:30 in the morning. No, it's not 5:30, it's 6:30 now. So yeah, just waiting to board, and then we will soon be in Amsterdam. It was so tough, like trying to check in 2 hand luggage, like rolly suitcases, and 3 big actual cases. And none of them are like on wheels, they're all like, you have to roll them. So it was really difficult, just 2 of us. But anyway, I'm gonna go now because I look full. See you in Amsterdam.